I'll show you exactly how to send your Bitcoin or Solana from Kraken to any wallet or exchange without the stress of losing your funds. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, log into your Kraken app and tap the transfer icon at the bottom. Then hit Withdraw. Select the coin you want to move. Step 2 is the most important part of the whole video, the network selection. Many coins like USDT or USDC exist on multiple blockchains. You must ensure the network you select on Kraken matches the receiving wallet. If you send Ethereum via the Arbitrum network to a wallet that only accepts mainnet, your money is gone. Always double-check the received network on your destination app first. Step 3. Adding the address. You can't just paste an address and hit send. You have to add a new address and give it a label, like My Ledger. Once you save it, Kraken will send you a confirmation email. You have to click that link within an hour or the address won't save. Most new addresses have a 24-hour security lock before you can actually use them, so plan your transfers a day in advance. Step 4. The travel rule. If you are sending a large amount, usually over $3,000, Kraken will ask you for the recipient's name and address type. This is a new standard regulation. Just select Private Wallet if it's your own Ledger or MetaMask. Being honest here prevents your account from being flagged for manual review. Step 5. The test run. Never, ever send your entire balance in one go. Send a small amount first, around $10. Once you see it land in your other wallet, you know the connection is safe. Then you can send the rest. Finally, enter your 2FA code from your Authenticator app and hit Confirm. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.